of Simpang Gabi. And I hope we still maintain the joy that we feel inside us. What can we learn from the 19 novenas that we have started? And now we end. My dear friends, first thing that I would like to emphasize, in life, preparation is necessary. Lahat pinaghahandaan. Sa Pasko nito, pinaghahandaan natin ang pagdating ni Kristo. And I would like to give a very good example of what we call the necessity of preparation. When somebody or when particular visitors come into our home, we always prepare. By how? We clean our house, we prepare the buildings, and we prepare the food. It is because we know somebody will come. My dear friends, preparation is very necessary. But of course, in the spirit of Advent, what is necessary will be spiritual preparation. And that is why the Advent calls us to always pray, to always pray. And that is why we do it not only personal prayer, but communal prayer. And that is the Holy Mass. My dear friends, preparation is necessary. Physical preparation, spiritual preparation, they are necessary in our life. I remember a particular classmate of mine, naging engineering student din sa SLU, and then medyo naging bulakbol. Tama ba yung Tagalog ko, bulakbol? Naging, he was not focused in his studies. And during the career, pumasa naman siya sa examination. And now, application comes, and then sabi niya, nahihirapan ako because I did not prepare well. Nung nasa school pa ako, hindi ko masyadong pinofocus sa aking studies. The challenge is now that I already apply my becoming an engineer in the field. Nahihirapan siya. That is why from time to time, he is consulting yung mga mas nakakataas na engineer sa kanya. My dear friends, preparation is necessary. The second thing that I would like to emphasize is focusing on what is essential. Why do we need to prepare? It is because Christ will come. And that is why the Advent calls us to focus on what is essential, and who is that essential will always be Jesus Christ. The call of Advent, my dear friends, is for us not so much to focus on ourselves, but to focus on Christ. Why? Christ is the best gift that God the Father will always give us. So anong ibig sabihin nun? Sa panahon ng Pasko, and we will be celebrating that tomorrow, God will continue to remind us that the best gift that He can give to us will always be person. It is not material things. It is not the success that we call. It is not the richness that we have, for example, but human person. That is the very, very important gift that the Advent in the Christmas season would remind us. And so let us try to look at our children. They are the best gift to us. They are not an accident. God purposely gave it to us, to you, mothers and fathers, your children. Take care of them. Now, for the children, again, the best gift that God has given to you will always be human person. Look at your mothers, look at your fathers, thank them, be a blessing to them. Because they are the greatest gift that God has given to us. Again, I would like to emphasize the best gift that God has given to us will always be human person. Susunod na po yung iba, material things, success, richness, wealth, and of course, good health. Those are secondary, but the primary gift will always be the human person. And that is why, as I said, focus on what is essential, and who is that essential will always be Jesus Christ. Who is Jesus to us, my dear friends? Ang membro ng pamilya natin, ang kapitbahay natin, bawat isa sa atin, yan si Kristo na darating sa ating buhay. That is a very good and concrete message that we can gain from this Advent and Christmas season, my dear friends. And so again, let us then continue to cherish one another. And as I said, one of the third thing that I would like to emphasize is, why did Jesus come? In order for us to bring hold back again to our sense of worth. May mga tao, nawawalan na sila ng kumpiyansa sa kanilang sarili. parang nawawalan na sila ng pag-asa sa kanilang sarili o sa kanilang buhay. When Christ comes this December 25, He will uplift again our humanity. He will bring back the worth na parang nawawala sa ibang tao. My dear friends, Christ will come to bring your worth, to bring my worth, and everybody's worth. So, tomorrow, of course, until the end of Christmas, let us continue to see the worth that God has given to us. Lahat po tayo may worth. Bawat isa sa atin may kapuruhan ang ating buhay. Huwag yung sabihin, ano ba itong buhay ko? Parang walang saysay or walang purpose. My dear friends, Christ will come to bring the worth of our very self and at the same time to show once again our purpose. Yan po ang dahilan kung bakit si Kristo ay paparito para ipakita sa atin ang dangal ng ating pagkatao at ang purpose ng ating buhay dito sa mundo. So ulitin ko po yung tatlo, my dear friends. First is, preparation is a necessity in this life. When it comes to preparation, physical preparation, spiritual preparation as well, they are necessary. The second thing, my dear friends, focusing on who is the essential, and that is only Jesus. As I said, let us try to not so much focus on ourselves, but to focus on the greatest gift that God has given to us, and that is Jesus Christ. And thirdly, my dear friends, the reason why Christ will always be to bring the worth in ourselves and to bring us back that we have a purpose in this life. Amen.